Welcome. Today, we're diving into a helpful guide on how to unsend a like from a chat on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, managing your messages has become easier than ever. Let's get started with the steps you need to follow. First, open Instagram on your computer. Launch your preferred web browser and head over to Instagram.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your messages seamlessly. Once you're in, look for the messages icon located in the left menu. This icon resembles an envelope or speech bubble. Clicking on it will take you to all your direct messages where you can interact with your friends and followers. Next, navigate to the chat you want to manage. Scroll through your conversations until you find the one where you accidentally liked a message. Click on that chat to open it up. Now, locate the like message that you want to unsend. This will typically be displayed as a heart icon next to the message you liked. Once you've found it, hover over the message. You'll see 3 dots appear next to it. Click on these 3 dots, and a small menu will pop up. Here, select the option that says Unsend. A confirmation prompt may appear asking if you're sure you want to proceed with this action. Confirm your choice by clicking on Unsend again. And just like that, you've successfully unsent your like. The heart icon will disappear, and the recipient will no longer see that you liked their message. Remember, this feature is particularly useful if you've accidentally liked something or simply changed your mind about expressing that sentiment. It's a great way to keep your interactions on Instagram exactly how you want them. Thanks for following along. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for using Instagram effectively. Happy chatting!